Omukoro gwo kurahiza abebembezi ba district ya Buhweju gubire aha kitebe kikuru kya district omuri Nsika kandi gwishyirweho n'abanyeshengero ba district ya Buhweju bona. Asimwe John orahizibwe nka mukuru w'entebe ya katano okwasibwe ebikwato bya ofisi ebirumu na moto kansya kandi disi wa Buhweju ahimbisibwe Nathan ashabire government okubahereza ebimotoka byokukora enkuto ebiri kubasa enkuto n'emishozi ya Buhweju.
Chairman, new chairman who is coming in, one of the best ways to retain a position is to work on the roads. To work on the roads. So we've been trying hard to work on the roads, and you have seen. Mugongo tujifumura mwamkerero wewe. Mugongo tujifumura kwa sababu ya one problem. Our grader and Bwana Chairman Mbarara. When you meet the big people up there, tell them that we need fresh graders. These ones in Cape vya mhogo. You repair one, never vya mhogo completely.
Vita ha mukorogu bakansara orujungu turubanguhire bwanyuma y'eminyeto okuremwa ku rugambaji.
I am serving, swear in the name of Almighty God that I will be faithful and be a true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
I, Kasinje Jane, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and be a true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Enshonga y'eminyeto okubura kugambaje orujungu etabwire RDC wa Buhweju kandi aho nho ashabira bebembezi okurebuza ebyobwegese omu district.
The Secretary for Education. There is something we observed here. The young councillors, we had a problem with English. But the old councillors, those with other age, we are very well conversant with the English. That means there is something wrong with our teaching methods of these days. So we must go down and find that our people, our young generation, gets quality education.
Omunyeshengero wa Buhweju owarabireho awa ticket ya FDC Mwishe Francis araganise kukorera abantu ba Buhweju bona atari kugwera rubaju n'ekibina cyona ekyobutegeki.
Nyenda tucishizangana ekyo cyo tinza kutina kwisho ninza kwatanisa nimwe turwana senguzi. Enguzi mureke tukirwanise. Abakozi civil servants abakwa barya haninga ba police ararye nguzi okwenza kwatagana nabwo cyenguzi nsakoranga na RDC twatagana chairman C5 na nabakozi baryaha abukwana ushanga ngwe binte bya binji byatwarwa bace
abantu batuhira mu rumogo kubebembera nkabebembezi babo. You are their leaders, they trusted you and they entrusted you with the Buhweju. Nyenda kubashaba we must put Buhweju first, because Buhweju is bigger than us. Nyenda kubashaba okukwatanisa. I believe cooperation will help us.
Batorine Rukundo Expedito nka speaker hamwe n'omuhwezi we kandi district ya Buhweju neza kutunga town council ya Kashenyi Kajan kandi abebembezi bashabirwe okujetebekanisiza. Ndi Michael Tumwachire awa TV West omuri Buhweju.